Now that I'm older, I see everything in a different perspective and I want change. Change in a way that those who are running for a position in the government should focus on the goal of truly serving the people. One thing that I have observed is the drainage. The drainage in Cebu, especially in Mandaue, Cebu City, and in Lapu-Lapu City or Mactan Island. Kay mag-ulan lang gamay, baha na. So it could be that the drainage is full of garbage. So we need to assign people to clean the drainage at least once a week around the city. And another thing that I have, maybe it could be a good suggestion, is for the government to maybe give an event or a campaign to get talents from the civil engineering students na mag-go around the city and look for solutions. So, how do we solve the problem? Ask na lang government to the schools nga maghimo sila og campaign. Siyempre, maghirap man ang mga bata, no? Mga students, tagaan gyud na ninyo og prize. Bali, incentive ba? That they go around the city or a specific area, kay daghan man tag schools, so specific area i-assign how to solve the flooding problems in the Cebu Island. Ana ra ka simple. It won't take millions to solve a problem, but it would take the cooperation between the government, the schools, and the people to really and actually find the solution to the flooding problem. No, di lang ta maingon government ra na atong i-appeal ang atong kaugalingon ug ang schools, no? Pwede kaayo karon ra jud ko kahuna-huna. Just like getting talents for maayo mo kanta, maayo sa arts. Karon ako nakit-an kay maayo sa arts. Now let's do this with the civil engineering students to help solve the flooding problems. Campaign lang ba maghimo kag maybe once a year or twice a year nga makahatag sila og solution sa problem. Unya kinahanglan naagay mo guide nga batikan na engineer. Mo guide nila unsaon paghimo sa solution. Kay di man pud na sila kabalo kung sila ra kay mga baguhan man, students pa biya. So mga batikan na engineer from private companies or government engineers mo guide aning mga bataa maghimo og solusyon tagai pud taw na sila pagkaon, pamiliti, kay di biya lalim no mag-standby ka sa dalan, magsubay sa drainage unya wa kay kaon. No? Gamay ra kaayo na kaysa kanang pila ka milyon na inyong ibutang-butang anang mga di ta kasabot nga mga developments, no? Kana lang gyud, let's start with the basic. Ang flooding sa Cebu unsaon nato pag sulbad. Dili kay magsige lang tag agoy baha man Sir, di lang sa kuan ha. Sir, kay baha. Now, let's solve this problem. Kay sayon ra ni kung mag-coordinate, mag-cooperate ang tanan.